Good evening, everyone. My name is Abhijit. Today, in this Zoom Marathon Challenge video, I am going to talk about the virtual DOM. Before going for virtual DOM, let's talk about what is basically DOM means. DOM means Document Object Model, where that means whenever we are going to make changes in our website, it should be showing our user also. So this changing process or rendering process is basically controlled by DOM. Now let's talk about the virtual DOM and why virtual DOM is faster than the real DOM. Basically, React use the virtual DOM, which is exist like a lightweight and copy of the actual DOM. And the other word, this is the virtual representation of the DOM. So for every object that exists in the original DOM, there is an object for that in React virtual DOM. It is exactly the same, but it does not have the power to directly change the layout of the document. Manipulating DOM is slow, but manipulating virtual DOM is quite fast, as nothing gets down on the screen. So each time there is a change in the state of our application, the virtual DOM gets updated fast instead of the real DOM. Now, listening this thing, you may be still wondering about that if there is work is double, then how basically virtual DOM is faster. So let's talk about how basically virtual DOM is faster. When anything new is added to the application, whatever we application created, and we have to change it, no, because we have to whatever we changes, we have to show it on a browser. For that, whatever we created newly in our application, a virtual DOM is created, and it represents as a tree. Now let's talk about what is tree, because no one is not tree. So that means in React basically use components. So there is a parent component which is known as app.js. Suppose app.js have two child component which has navbar and homepage. Now there is app.js, then there is two line which is basically one is navbar and one is homepage. There is this type of coming, and again navbar has two or three component or homepage has two or three component. This structure is known as tree. So whenever we're changing anything, it will create a virtual tree for ours. Now a new virtual DOM is created. So new virtual DOM tree is compared with the previously virtual DOM. Whatever we make the changes previously, that time also a virtual DOM is created. So this virtual tree is compared with the new virtual DOM, and it will check this what is the possible way to make these changes to the real DOM. Now only the updated element, whatever this thing is updated, will get the render on the page. That means we have to see this is on our website. That's mean whenever we update anything on our website or anything created or anything new feature is added in our website using the React, that time it will compare with previous virtual DOM, and it will check whatever what changes is going on, and these changes will show through the virtual DOM. This is how basically virtual DOM concept is working. I hope you little bit understand about the virtual DOM. That is for this video. Thank you.